everybody, my name is Angela Bailey and this is the Huron Public Library. We're doing crafts today and we're going to make a puzzle piece art and we're going to make a heart. So if you have any puzzles laying around where you don't have all the pieces, this would be a good craft for that. So if you signed up, the kit would have had 6 things in it. You'd have the container of Mod Podge, the burlap bow or flower, a length of ribbon, the outline of the heart, a bag of assorted puzzle pieces, and a length of wax paper. And the Mod Podge we're going to use multiple times throughout the craft, so I recommend that you either watch the video through once or read the instructions completely through so that you know how to portion your Mod Podge and you don't use it all at one time. Alright, so we're going to get started. Moving over. Step 1 is you're going to just take the heart and lay it on the table and stick your wax paper over top of it. Because we're going to glue right on the wax paper, and then when it dries, you'll be able to peel the wax paper off. We're going to open our glue. And you're going to pour in the heart outline right on top of the wax paper. So, there we go. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to put our puzzle pieces in it and we're going to move them around. Okay. Those are our puzzle pieces. And I'm using the back side of the puzzle because it matches my burlap. If you wanted to go through your pieces and do it by color, you sure can do that as well. So you're just going to stick them right in the glue around the heart. And if you have like a big glob of glue, just take a puzzle piece and just kind of go around. The glue will dry clear, so that's a plus. Okay. And we're just going to do a single layer of puzzle pieces so they're flat. Okay. You might get some Mod Podge on your hands, but it will come off, I promise. Okay. Alright, so once you have it in the shape of a heart and you have one layer, okay, you're going to take your Mod Podge and you're going to do another layer on top of that. Just this simple, just pour a little bit on top of them. And what we're going to do for this craft is you're going to stack them. So eventually we're going to end up with a stack of 4 puzzle pieces total. So this would be our second one. Okay. And you want every piece to touch the glue. Alright, we just finished our second layer, so we're going to go on to our third, put more glue on. There we go. And it looks really messy right now, but it'll dry clear, I promise. Alright, so we've just did our 4th row of puzzle pieces. So we're going to put a little bit more glue right at the center of the heart where we're going to put our ribbon to hang it. There we go. And you're going to put both ends of the ribbon in that glue to make a loop. Just like that. Press it down so it's all covered. And this is also where your bow is going to go. Okay, so it's going to go right on top of the glue so that it'll dry right there. Alright, now you just need to let it dry 24 hours or until all the glue dries clear. You won't have any white showing. Alright, so this has had a day to dry. It's still a little white, but we're going to try and peel it off. So just go really slow. Okay, and if any of it sticks, just pull that off the back. And this is what it will look like with the wax paper off. And then it'll just hang. And it should be pretty sturdy. If you do have some glue pieces that are clear, that are sticking out, you can just trim those with the scissors. And we're done. Thank you for joining us today. My name was Angela. If you wanted to sign up for our next craft for July, it is open, and we're making junk owls, and there's a picture online if you want to check it out. Thanks for joining us.